campers. This one might be a little weird. It's going to be single take, and this is the only video you're getting from this load. Today is November the 24th, Saturday after Black Friday, Saturday after Thanksgiving. We are back on the road. Let me mute my radio because it's squealing. We're back on the road. I just took a day off at home, not intentionally, just happened to get a load that went home, and it was about a week before I'd asked for home time, but they're like, well, I've got to do a reset because the load that got us home was just, hours-wise, was brutal. Maybe you've seen that, maybe you haven't, I don't know. I don't know what order these videos are coming out now, but took the day off, got everything done that I'd been planning to do the next week, so it worked out fine, and I got to spend Thanksgiving with my dad, which was always fun. But this morning, last night, I got stuck in the shipper for this load, and I went to edit a video and my laptop's dead. So, yep, edited videos might be gone for a short while. Not that I was really cranking them out. So I mean, I guess the idea for this is just do a one take while the scenery's really good. We're in Kentucky, by the way. We're east of Lexington. But I figured, you know, scenery right now is absolutely gorgeous, so let's just go ahead and film the thing real quick. But yeah, no, so my computer might be dead. The power supply is not charging it right. At least I don't think it is. It might be a software issue. I'm really hoping it's a software issue. But I don't think it is. I don't think it is. But we'll see. We will see. So what I did was, it was constantly freaking out, thinking that I was plugging and unplugging the power supply over and over again. So it had about 5% battery left on it from the last time I'd used it and put it on standby. So I shut it down, and whoo, dear, that animal is gone. Oh man. Goodbye, bird. Goodbye, bird. If you missed what just happened, like a hawk or something just flew into the side of the truck in front of us. That was the explosion of feathers that was there. Not intentional, didn't mean to record that, sorry. Can't edit it out now, it's too late. But yeah, no, so my computer's freaking out a little bit. I've got it, I turned it off and I plugged it back in, and I'm hoping that even if it's still thinking that the cable's plugging and unplugging and plugging and unplugging, it might still be able to recharge the battery very slowly. Then I might be able to edit stuff on pure battery power until it runs out. Which, ooh, what if it takes longer to render episodes than I have battery life? That might be a problem. I didn't think of that. But at the very least, I'll be able to do file management, I think, and get stuff uploaded until I can either replace the laptop or replace just the power supply. I don't know which. We'll figure it out later. So I'm just gonna record. I'm just gonna keep talking. Oh, there's a guy on the ramp. Come on, guy. Just make this easier on both of us. Back off and get behind me. All right. I don't want to move over for you. I'm not gonna move over for you. Yeah, you're behind me. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Goodbye. Apophis did not make that easier. Apophis let off the accelerator because that was at the top of the hill. We just kind of coasted over the top. So we dropped down to like 55 mile an hour there. But, yeah. The guy had to slow down a little bit more than he would have had to if I just kept my foot in it. It's fine though. It's fine though. Gotta get those fuel efficiencies. How are we doing today? So far today, we've got 7.2 miles per gallon, which, considering we reset that just before we entered West Virginia, that's pretty darn good going through West Virginia. We're still sitting at 8.2 lifetime fuel economy, miles per gallon. That's since I got Apophis, we have done 8.2 miles for each gallon of fuel we've burned, which is, considering that the truck idles itself to recharge the batteries at night, that's really good fuel economy. That means when we're rolling, we've been averaging like 8.5 to 9 miles per gallon when we're actually moving. So that's pretty impressive. Apophis is doing very well. So yeah, I don't know what the channel's going to look like over the next few weeks, months, until I get the laptop replaced. We might be able to do that super quick. I've got some money saved up from, since we switched to leasing, I've been making more, because I guess I'm actually decent at this. Who knew? So now that I'm getting a percentage of my profit, we're doing quite well, rather than a flat per mileage rate. So I am doing quite well for myself. Thank you very kindly. And that really intense load that we did last week from Seattle to Fayetteville, North Carolina, paid so well. It paid so well. But yeah, so like I wound up pocketing off of that one load. We pocketed over 60% just because we kept our costs down by not. I mean, we were pretty much hammered down, so minimal stopping. We had good fuel economy the whole way, and it was in 4 days we did more profit than I used to. Like, I made more off of that 4-day load than I used to make in like 3 months as a minimum wage employee. Just to put that in perspective, and that was my take-home pay was more than 3 months of minimum wage. So. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the decision to lease the truck. Mr. Apophis here doing wonders for us. I just saw an airplane fly over. I wonder if he's gonna circle back. No, probably not. I've got to be careful not to talk too long because it'll break it up into multiple videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Eliodare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Eliodare on Xbox Live, Steam, and most importantly Twitter. Drop in, say hi. I'll keep you posted on the computer situation there, assuming this video comes out nice and soon, which, you know, maybe not, I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.